How to delete Bybit account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch Bybit app on your device and sign in to your account with your credentials. Navigate to the profile icon at top left corner of your account. Now choose Help Center and contact support from your profile feed under Customer Support. Tap on Help. You will reach on the section. You will see self-service page where you will see different option when you swipe. Simply look for the option of deactivate account and tap on it. Now, these are all the consequences of deactivating an account. Like you won't be able to log into this account again, unable to initiate any trades including API and NFT, and many more. Go through all of this and check mark, I have understood and agreed to the above action. Now you need to tell the reason why you want to disable this account. And choose deactivate this account. To make sure, tap confirm button. And a code will be sent to your email address. Simply you need to do this verification process. And after that, you will successfully delete your account on Bybit if you do not reactivate for 30 days. So that's all for today. I hope this guide worked, and if you're new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.